What's the word, YouTube? It's Sean Graphics, and I'm back with another video for y'all. And as you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be showing you how I made this. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I did my big one with this one. I'm gonna leave my Instagram in the comments because I know some of y'all might want to cover like this. It's gonna be about $25, but besides that, we gonna get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so I just realized I lost the footage of actually making the album cover. I'm gonna be showing you how to animate an album cover. So after you have your cover design, you want to remove the main subject from the image, whatever that may be, whether it's a car, a person, a tree, whatever you want to be moving around and swaying back and forth and doing whatever, you need to remove the background from it. So I did so, and after I did that, I added the text and the stickers to the album cover and exported it. Then I individually exported every element of the album cover by itself. This is essential in making a 3D animated album cover. I loaded the background image into a video on CapCut and loaded the subject image over it. Once I got it lined up, I began adding keyframes, putting each keyframe in a different position so that way, throughout the video, wherever the keyframe was in that position, that's where the subject would move to, so he would be swaying back and forth. You'll see how I did it in the video. Slow the video down if you miss anything. I apologize for going so fast, but 80% of y'all probably already clicked off this video, so I gotta make sure I get straight to the point. But I began scrolling through effects with the background to add more of an aura around the subject. It would make the subject pop out of the background more, and I decided to stick with this one. Once I was finished with that, I began adding the raw wave, and I got a position in the spot that I was comfortable with, and then I began messing around with the keyframes the exact way I did the subject. I wanted to give it this drop-down effect. After that, I went to the animations and gave it some effects. You can see how I did it in the video. It was time to add the album title text. I began going through the same exact steps I went through with the artist's name to come up with a formula and style of music that blended well with the image. After I added animations and got everything positioned, I added the first clip and then added the second clip to a new video, and it was time to add transitions to it. How y'all feel about the final product? Let me know in the comments. Rate it 1 through 10. Let me know if I should do some more tutorials like this. Let me know what I could do better. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned to the next video.